Hey y'all, welcome back to our tailgating and barbecue series. I'm Chef Matt Burton, Vice President of Culinary and R&D at Dickey's Barbecue. Today we're talking about the undefeated champion of game day, chicken wings. Crispy, juicy, tossed or sauced, wings bring people together at the tailgate like nothing else. Now, here's gonna be the playbook. We're gonna figure about 6 to 8 wings per person. Now, if that's the wings at a star, 3 to 4 if they're riding shotgun with brisket or sausage. Grab a mix of drums and flats so everybody gets what they like. Pack your rubs and sauces in squeeze bottles and label them, making sure everything is nice and organized. Bring a wire rack and sheet pan for transport so that skin stays dry. A little air equals a lot of crispness. Now for fuel, plan on 2-zone heat. One side hot for searing, one side medium for finishing. If you are smoking, hold steady around 275 to 300 degrees. Pat the wings dry with paper towels. Dry skin equals crispy skin. Lightly oil, season with a salt-forward barbecue rub or simple salt, pepper, and garlic. You could split the batch like I like to do if for different flavor lanes, about like a classic barbecue rub, lemon pepper, maybe even a garlic parmesan. If you love saucy wings, you could maybe make a small glaze now so it's ready to go when you need it. Maybe buffalo with maybe just a little hint of honey. How about Alabama white with extra black pepper? Or my favorite, Korean style with gochujang and a splash of soy. Set aside a clean bowl for the post-cook toss. You do not want to reuse any bowl that's touched raw chicken. Remember, safety first. So if we're going on a smoker, you're going to want to run it 275 to 300 degrees. You're going to set the wings on the cool side, skin side up. Let the smoke roll over for about 35-45 minutes till the skin looks rendered and the meat hits around 170 degrees. Then you're going to move them over to the direct heat to finish and tighten up that skin. Make it crispy, flipping as needed. Now, if you're going to use a grill, you're going to do 2 zones. Start on the cool side with the lid closed to gently cook. Then move it over to the hot side to crisp them up and blister and crisp up that skin. Now our target temp for wings are always 165 degrees. That's when it's safe to eat. But honestly, I like to get up to about 180 to 185. Still keeps it tender, nice tender bite, and allows me to bite through that crispy skin. Use a quick read thermometer and check it in the thickest drum. When they are there, pull them out to a rack for 2 minutes so the juices settle. You don't want to eat them right off the grill. Let them rest just for a couple of minutes. Now, for you dry rub fans, hit the hot wings with a finishing dust the second it comes off. A touch of brown sugar, paprika, pinch of cayenne wakes everything up. Now for sauce wings, make sure you warm your sauce in a small pot on the side so it hugs the chicken instead of cooling it down. Toss fast, then serve. If you want a sticky glaze, now you want to brush that glaze onto the chicken at the last minute, over the fire and let it set almost like a shellac. If you're batch cooking, remember to keep the finished wings on a rack in a warm zone. Don't pile them all up in a pan so that the skins get all soggy. You want to make sure they stay nice and crisp. So we're ready to go. So how about we make it a wing bar? We're going to try 3 lanes. Dry rubbed with lemon pepper. How about we do buffalo and honey? Maybe a little sweet heat barbecue with a little bourbon. And I know you all know I love my bourbon. So don't forget to put out your celery and carrot sticks, ranch and blue cheese, and maybe a simple pickled jalapeno relish is a perfect side dish. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon over those lemon pepper trays for just that right amount of tang. And for a full hearty meal, let's go loaded fries with these bad boys, huh? How about some crinkle cut or hand cut? Maybe with some chopped brisket, melted cheddar, some green onions, a zigzag of barbecue sauce. If you want a lighter plate, let's pile those wings over a simple slaw with a little bit of dill and vinegar. The crunch is perfect. Now, that is how you win game day with wings. Plan smart, cook with 2-zone heat, finish hot for that perfect bite, then serve a spread that lets your crowd choose their favorite flavors. Drop your go-to wing sauce in the comments and tell me if you're team drums or team flats. I'm not choosing sides, but I am choosing seconds. Now, for more tips and tricks, visit us at dickies.com, and we'll see you next time.